Hi, it's Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. So this case is tailbone pain. I'm going to use scalp acupuncture to show you how I can do a quick acupuncture to get rid of the pain within just from this. I haven't edited this video, and it's about 3 to 4 minutes. I finished a case. Right, let's check it out. Okay, Maya, how can I help you today? Where is the discomfort?
Down here.
In the tailbone?
Yeah.
All right. So, how long have you had the tailbone pain?
A while. I take codeine and Panadol for it.
And that helps?
Not really, no.
Not really. Oh, okay. How bad is the pain?
That's quite painful.
Out of 10, as 10 is bad, worse.
Oh, 8, at least 8.
Can you feel it right now?
Yeah.
If you stand up, you feel it more?
Yeah.
You can try again. You feel it now?
Yeah.
Okay, have a seat, please. By sitting here, you feel it too?
Yeah.
All right. We do scalp acupuncture. First time for acupuncture?
Yeah.
Ooh. All right. Tender here? Again. You tell me, is it tender? Tender, this one?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
That one?
Yeah. Yeah, that's tender there.
That's tender here? In here too?
Yeah.
Tender too?
Yeah, that's real terrible.
Real
Real sore.
Which one's worse? That one, or that one?
The top one.
Top one's worse?
Yeah.
Okay. Here?
Yeah.
Here too? Not
No.
too bad. That one.
Yeah.
And that one, right?
Yeah.
All right. Can you feel the needle?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Not painful, eh?
No.
Okay. Bearable, eh? Okay. How's your tailbone pain?
It's a little different.
Less pain now? What difference is that?
Doesn't feel so sore.
Not so sore now. Is the pain still on the same spot? Or
Yeah.
it move? Still the same spot, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show me the pain again, please? Okay. Yep. One more needle. Okay. And now, how's the pain?
It's okay.
Good now?
Yeah.
No pain?
No.
That's awesome. Stand up and try it. Sit down. How's it?
It's good.
No pain?
No.
You kidding?
No.
No kidding. For the rest of your life. 所以这是尾骨疼痛啊。This is tailbone pain. So I do like 百会 220s over here and down here. That is for tailbone. What happened 百会 is over here? 百会 is L2. Okay, so that is tailbone. 所以这边呢是百会穴，百会穴呢是给这个第二腰椎的啊，然后下面就是尾骨。所以我们找到痛点，下2根针就搞定了。这就是我们的快速针刺法，就结束了。然后你不用留针，起针就好了，可以起针了。So this is a quick acupuncture, so we don't have to leave the needle in. So as long as we remove the pain, that's it. So within 5 minutes, 在5分钟里面就可以解决一个病人。So in 5 minutes, you can treat a patient with this technique. Now you see, I have explained to you where to put the point, how to find the access point. right? It's behind the 220. Right? Now, if you are interested to learning more of quick acupuncture from New Balance Acupuncture Technique, in 2025, I'm going to plan my workshop, right? So go ahead and get the link around this video and click the in and pre-register your name, so we know where you are, and we come to you, and you come to the workshop, and you can learn this technique. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.